In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Paste Special in Excel. If you've ever copied something and ended up with unwanted formatting or broken formulas, this feature is your best friend. Paste Special gives you precise control over exactly what gets pasted, so you can move data cleanly and confidently. Start by selecting the cells that contain the values you want to use. This could be numbers, text, or even formula results. Copy them just like you normally would, using the copy button or your usual shortcut. You'll know it worked when you see the moving dashed border around the selection. That border is your visual cue that Excel has stored what you copied and is ready for you to choose how to paste it. Next, head to the destination cell where you want the paste to begin. Think of this as the top left corner of where your pasted content will land. If you're pasting into a single cell, just click that cell. If you're pasting over a range, make sure your starting point lines up with the shape of what you copied. Now right-click to open the context menu. This is the quickest way to access all the paste tools in one place without hunting through the ribbon. From the menu, choose Paste Special. Depending on your version of Excel, you may see a small clipboard icon with options. Select the one labeled Paste Special to open the full dialog. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a variety of choices that tell Excel exactly what to paste and how to treat it. Now, choose the option that fits your goal. Pick Values. If you want to paste only the visible results and strip out any formulas. Choose formulas to keep the underlying calculations without bringing over the source formatting. Select formats to apply just the look, like fonts, colors, and number formats, without changing the data. If you need to flip rows into columns or vice versa, use transpose. Operations such as add, subtract, multiply, or divide let you apply quick math to the destination using what you copied. Skip blanks prevents empty cells in your copied range from overwriting existing data. Data validation, comments and notes, and column widths are available when you need them, and they're especially helpful for maintaining consistency across sheets. That's it. Copy your values, move to the target cell, and right-click, select Paste Special, and choose the option that matches your intent. With this approach, you avoid surprises, keep your spreadsheets tidy, and save time on cleanup. Try it on a small sample first, and once you're happy, use it across your full dataset.